everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all guys are doing well. So in today's video I'm going to do unboxing and review of the Glamego box for September month, and I'm super excited to talk about this month's box. So before moving on with the video, let me share a tiny information regarding Glamego box. So Glamego box is India's #1 beauty subscription box, and in this box they provide you products from premium brands, and you will get products you will get like 4 to 5 products. Among of them 1 or 2 will be a full size product and rest will be a sample size. So they provide you the sample size product to try them initially, then gonna think about further whether you want to invest on the product or not. So this is a great thing, like first try then gonna buy the full size one. So this one is a great thing, and this box are amounted rupees 399 only per month. If you're gonna take a subscription for 3, 6 or 12 months, the amount eventually gonna fall. So the details of this box along with the price chart within the description box, so don't forget to check it out. So without wasting more time, let's begin. So first of all, I really want you guys to take a moment and appreciate the box outer packaging. And in this box you are getting a picture, side face picture of a lady with all the decorative festive jewelry, as the festive month is about to begin, and they have come up with their creativity on their boxes, which is a great thing. And once you open this box, you are getting your products and this card where it's written try and buy directly from brands to you. And in September month's box you can get product up to rupees 3700 in the box of rupees 399 only. So here I can see they have provided 4 products and some paper cuttings like this first 50 issue, again a great thing. So the first product I can see is a makeup remover balm from Pretty Woman, and the container look like this. This comes in this plastic container, and this one is a 9.5 gram of a product. And once you open the container, you are getting your balm. This is in white in color, and it is in variant orange, watermelon, argan oil and vitamin E. These 4 products are in this balm. I'm looking forward to try this balm and wanna see whether it gonna remove my full face of makeup with heavy duty makeup or not, and then gonna share my review with you guys. So the second product I can see, and this one is kind of familiar with me cause this one I got in my June's box, and this one is none other than Sephora X Portrait face serum, and this one is a 15 ml of pack. It comes with this dropper, and this single product is retails for rupees only 1670, like only 1670. You are getting a product worth rupees 1670 in this 399 box. What else you can expect from this box, guys? This serum itself is a good product. I'm using this since June, like I haven't run it out yet. I'm gonna run it out soon and gonna try this again. This serum gonna suit all skin type people, like starting from oily to sensitive to dry to combination. And I'm from oily skin family. I'm using this and it doesn't gonna make my skin sticky or greasy at all. It get absorbed to my skin so nicely. So this one is my absolute favorite, which I got again in this September box. Great thing, guys. If you haven't tried this yet, then do try this box for this only at least. So the third thing I can see, this one is again from Portrait, their Bioderma Resin exfoliator. This one is a face scrub, and this comes in this plastic black packaging, and this one is a 30 gram of a pack. And once you open this, you are getting your product. It smells so good, and this is in a cream consistency. You can see this, like it feels like a conditioner, like yeah. And I think it has some microparticles in it which gonna remove all of the dirt skin cells from your skin so easily and gonna moisturize it. yes, it feels like that it has some microparticles in it. And again, I'm looking forward to try this out and gonna see whether it gonna dries out my skin or gonna just clean all of the dead skin cells from my skin and gonna moisturize it as well. So I'm looking forward to try this out. And the star product for this month's box is the Starstruck lipstick by Sunny Leone, and this one is Cherry Bomb in color, and this lipstick retails for rupees 799. Again, you are getting a 800 rupees product in this 399 box. Guys, what are you waiting for? Go and grab this month's box as app. And the shade right now, this Cherry Bomb I'm wearing on my lips. I don't know the camera is doing justice with this lip shade or not, but this is a pure red color, like a blue tone red. It doesn't look orangey or pinky. It's a pure blue tone dark red, a cherry red like itself. And once you open this outer box, you're getting your actual product inside, and this looks so classy as it comes in this black packaging, and the lipstick look like this. And let me give you a swatch. In a single swipe, you are getting this much of pigmentation. You don't need to apply this twice or thrice to get your desired pigmentation, guys. In a single swipe, you are getting this much of pigmentation. And this is not at all a matte. This is in creamy formula, and the entire box they came up for the September month is a big fat thumbs up from my side. Just happy with their product selection. Like the festive season is around the corner, you should have a red lipstick in your purse or in your makeup vanity for this festive season. You should have a good quality face serum which gonna moisturize your skin. You should have a good quality exfoliator or a face scrub in your skincare kit to remove all the dead skin cells and gonna give you a flawless glowy skin. And lastly, which is so important, a makeup remover. You are getting that also. So this month's box is totally still for the festive season, guys. So don't waste much time and place your order for this box. And I hope you guys like this video and found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it means a lot for me and it is free. And also to share this video with your friends who gonna find this video helpful and gonna purchase a box for this month. And I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.